these from the store, and I actually got all of these from Goodwill. So of course we had to get some teacups, saucer cups, and this is very dainty and cute. These two were together for $1. This was 89 cents. This is a basket, obviously, but it is ceramic for $1.99. Super cute, and will definitely hold some plants nicely. And then we have this gorgeous bowl here that I for sure couldn't pass up, and it was $2. So this is gonna look lovely with some plants in it too. And then be sure to stay tuned, because I have actually another little special piece that we're gonna be adding to these just to really make the look awesome. So stay tuned for that. And also we've got our gravel, we've got our charcoal, we've got our plants and our soil, so we are ready to get started. And there you have it. The little saucer that matches the cup is just the perfect touch to this project. I wanted to show you what it looked like with the pieces of jewelry as well, in case you wanted to have this as a gift idea. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your support, and I will see you next time.